secret to finding inspiration as a designer is immersing yourself in culture, art, architecture, music, and people. Welcome to episode 1 of Exploring Places through Designer Didi's lens. And well, this is Rajasthan. The vibrant state of Rajasthan has so much to offer, and well, on my recent trip, I chose to do all the touristy things and seek as much inspiration as a creative possibly could. And in this video, I'll be talking to you about 5 things you can seek inspiration from as a designer or a design student. So stay tuned till the end. Now let's start with my first new favorite place and the gem of Jaipur, the beautiful Hawa Mahal or the Palace of Winds. The intricate architecture of the mesmerising Hawa Mahal stands true to its name. The wind barely let me have a single picture without hair coming on my face. But what was also inspiring was the fact that in 1799, Lal Chand Ustad made the exterior of the Hawa Mahal inspired from a honeycomb with 953 small windows. These windows are called Jharokhas and are decorated with intricate latticework all around. I could totally imagine myself sitting and designing a collection someday inspired from this beautiful wonder. I mean, just sheer beauty of the red sandstone is unparalleled. Number 2 on my list has to be the music in Rajasthan. Listening to live music and folk songs is a part of the very essence of being in Rajasthan. And well, there were enough instances when I was welcomed with beautiful songs sung by artists mesmerizing me with both their tunes and their lovely smiles. As a designer and a creative, sometimes you must simulate all your senses, and music is such a great way to do so. I was literally transported to a different era every time I heard the music play. My third place to seek inspiration has to be the local markets and the handmade treasures they hide. Whether it is Pushkar, Jaipur or Jodhpur, every street of Rajasthan has vibrant clothes, beautiful blue pottery, hand-block printed handlooms and just so much vibrant colors. And if this outburst of colors cannot inspire you, I don't know what can. I mean, I am always a happy kid jumping around when in Rajasthan, and it shows. My fourth favorite place to seek inspiration on this trip was the beautiful Ganesh Pol Darwaza in Amer Fort. If the beauty of the fort, the scenic views and the Sheesh Mahal wasn't enough, the intricate art on this beautiful gate was something I'd never experienced before. Created in the 1700s, this wonder, acknowledged by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site today, still stands tall with all of its paintings intact, which was made from organic dyes. Almost 500 years and the dyes haven't been painted upon again. Look at the sheer brilliance of it all. And now, coming to my last favorite place to seek inspiration from, and something that everybody must experience. It has to be the most beautiful magic flower, which is actually a carved marble panel on the pillars around the Mirror Palace depicting 2 hovering butterflies, the flower, which has unique designs including a fishtail, lotus, hooded cobra, an elephant's trunk, a lion's tail, cob of corn and a scorpion. Each one of which is visible by a special way of partially hiding the panel with the hands. My tour guide was actually very efficient and showed us all of it in such detail and depth. Absolute hands down the best guided experience I had. Now, as a creative and a designer, this was amazing to see and decode for sure. And did I also mention that all the marbles here were finished with coconut husk and coconut oil? Yes, I know, my mind was blown away as well. So well, this is the end of exploring places through my lens. I hope you find inspiration as a designer or a design student and come along on this journey with me, and let's seek inspiration together for our next collections, next designs, or just to immerse ourselves in the beautiful culture of the world. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!